You have a Freelander TD4 with the BMW diesel engine M47 and you need to get this belt off. What you need to do, and you don't have the proper tool, get a 24mm ring spanner and cut the end off it. Then weld it on, as you can see in the video here. Then actually grind the face flat because it'll be rounded on the inside. So just grind it flat so you can actually get a good grab on this tensioner pulley up here. I apologise, there's not a lot of room to... There you go, it's on. You just get it where you can suit you so you can get a good swing at it. You can make the handle a bit longer if you like with another bit of steel. I just used another ring spanner on the end and just pull towards the front and you will get the belt off. So that's what you do when you don't have the proper tool, but it works. Okay, I'll see you next time.